If you want to fix issues with Wi-Fi on your POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and in here we're gonna first start with the more connectivity options, and you want to check if the AirPlay mode is not enabled. Sometimes it can be enabled by accident, and of course this can be the reason why Wi-Fi is not working. If that is not the case, then we can go to Wi-Fi and you can simply disable and enable Wi-Fi over here in order to refresh the Wi-Fi and try to reconnect to your network after that. You can also go to network acceleration, and over here we have this option, switch between networks. This allows you to switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi signal is weak or when network is not available. And this can be the reason why you may experience some issues with the Wi-Fi or with the connection, so you might want to turn it off. There's also the speed boost to actually use the mobile data together with the Wi-Fi, and maybe this option itself doesn't necessarily it doesn't have to necessarily provide some issues, but of course just to make sure we can turn it off. We also have dual band Wi-Fi speed boost, so you can use two Wi-Fi networks at the same time to increase the speed. And in this case, of course, I am not using it, but if you do, then just for the sake of trying to fix issues, you can turn it off if you have this option actually enabled. Besides that, what you can do is you can forget the network that you are using right now. So if you still have it visible in here, we can go to the settings of the network and you can forget the network quite easily. And for example, if the password has been updated, if it was changed recently and you cannot connect to the network, then of course you can choose modify network and change the password in here. You can also find connect automatically, which of course should be enabled, especially if you experience disconnections, like after some time the Wi-Fi switches, let's say, or just disconnects from the network, then just make sure that it is this option is enabled. Also, if you cannot find your network on this list of available networks, remember that you can press refresh after a couple of seconds, or you can use the QR code scanner. So if you have the QR code of your Wi-Fi network, you can just scan the QR code so you don't have to look for the network and you don't have to enter the password. At the bottom, we also have additional settings, so in case you need to find network that is not listed in the previous screen, in the previous menu, then we can go to manage saved networks and you can delete the network quite easily, and hopefully this time it will be found on this list. Also, another thing that I actually should have mentioned earlier is that if you have any other device that uses the same Wi-Fi network, you can check if you actually have Wi-Fi on that other device, if it works normally, if it works well. Because if you have issues with the Wi-Fi on another device as well, then obviously this means that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than issue with Wi-Fi on your POCO F8 Pro or F8 Ultra. Now, if none of this actually helps, if you still have some issues with Wi-Fi, we can go back to settings, then open more connectivity options, and then in here you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. So you want to go over here and you want to reset these settings. Keep in mind that if you decide to do so, you will reset all these options over here, the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth, which means that you will have to reconnect not only to your Wi-Fi networks but also to your Bluetooth devices. And after that, once you reset these settings, you can just go back to Wi-Fi and try to connect to your network again, and hopefully this time it will work just fine. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.